You've really done a lot more animation than you had before, and that's really great. Um, I think one thing with your walk is try to get a little bit of up and down and side to side movement with the root. It doesn't have to be a lot, but um, one thing is when when the weight's on this foot, the root shifts to center over the foot carrying the weight, and it'll make the walk more interesting if there's a little side to side motion. Um, and then this the table kind of drops a little bit fast, but with this, it's not so great because the way the character spins around. Really, one foot should be stuck to the ground at all times. So you're kind of cheating here um, when you do the turn around. So it should be step, step, step. There's a series of poses to turn around. You can't just spin it all at once and have it look good. So I would say either do that properly by doing a series of poses where one foot is planted on the ground at all times while the other foot is moving, or just cut that part out if you don't have time for that. Well, I appreciate you kind of doing the Arnold stuff, which is what we're doing next. The idea was to learn how to do hardware rendering and get the best look you can out of that before we moved on to Arnold. So because as I'm sure you said, the Arnold render can be very time consuming, and sometimes you want to get something decent looking out quickly, and so hence the idea of using hardware render because actually you can get stuff looking pretty good with hardware render extremely quickly. It's almost like real time rendering. So anyway, though, yeah, good progress.